And welcome back. The World Anti-Doping Agency says a two-man visit to Jamaica has nothing to do with the recent documentary aired by German broadcaster ARD. Ken Reyna has more.
Responding to queries from TVJ Sports Thursday morning, WADA's Senior Communications Director Ben Nichols confirmed that the two-man team headed by Director of Standards and Harmonization Tim Ricketts had been in Jamaica for routine meetings with JADCO. But Nichols was quick to point out that this week's meeting was in no way connected with the recent ARD television documentary. The ARD documentary claimed Jamaican athletes returned positive results for the banned drug clenbuterol in reanalyzed the samples from the 2008 Beijing Olympics, which the IOC and WADA did not pursue. According to the WADA spokesman, the visit is a follow-up to the Canadian Centre for Ethics in Sport and JADCO partnership program and represents the latest in a series of meetings WADA has held in the country to discuss the progress of JADCO's partnership with their Canadian counterparts since 2014.
And we're very pleased with the outcomes of that partnership and where JADCO is in terms of delivering effective anti-doping programs. So our meeting was to discuss that and pass on those messages.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange later met with the WADA team led by Ricketts and JADCO's chairman Alexander Williams Thursday afternoon, where the local drug testing agency was given a clean bill of health. Sports Minister Grange and Williams of JADCO were both pleased with the findings.
WADA has given us a clean bill of health. And of course, there are little areas that have to be tweaked. There are some matters that need to be clarified as to the relationship between the board and the executive director as well as the minister, because, you know, it's important that we observe the best practices.
I'm pleased that we are well on track to be one of the best national anti-doping organizations in the world. And I'd just like to say to athletes, sports enthusiasts and the sporting organizations out there that JADCO is here to help you to be compliant.
Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Reyna.